Hey guys, welcome. Hope you guys fine. Going to show you live Spike Killer doing a dual side video, one with mobile terminal and one with PC terminal. So look here, this is Boom 300. We opened 50 lot size, two trades waiting for Spike. As you guys can see, the market is going downward in selling. We are holding this trade till 3 candles stop loss. As you guys can see, the market is in mobile terminal and also in our PC terminal. Now look here, continuously we are opening with 50 lot size, opening trades with 50 lot size, waiting for a spike. Stop loss will be 3 candles. Check the accuracy of the system. You can trade just with $50 using this system. Once the arrow appears, open the trade and milk the profit. Take any risk you want. This is 100% good indicator. Look here. We are holding these trades almost. Look here guys, a tiny spike just appeared. Look here guys, a tiny spike just appeared. One trade is in profit, other all we are holding. We are holding this trade till 3 candles stop loss. The tiny spike appeared. Let's see the power of this system guys live with mobile terminal and also MT5 PC terminal. Now again, after a dodgy candle, market is going downward. We are holding this trade with 3 candles stop loss. Check the market. We're going downward, holding this trade for a spike with 50 standard lots. Added more trades because we are damn sure the market is going to give us a big spike because we have a 100% accuracy based indicator signal. Check out guys, we are holding this trade and waiting for spike. Let's wait for 3 candles. Look here guys, this is the power of the system. A big one, big spike just appeared and made us good profit.